Yeah, it's a very desolating and sad atmosphere here. This is a very burned truck. It's a 2018 F150, and as you can see, everything inside is damaged. In the dashboard, look at the instrument cluster, the windshield, uh, the door, and its panel here. So my theory is that the fire started with something that they were carrying inside, something flammable, melting most of the aluminum on the bed, and then it started moving towards the front. So this is the rear panel. The glass is gone. This is part of the roof. This is the back part of the cabin. You can see how it's burned. There's no glass on it. All of the components inside were melted, all the wires, the ceiling, the headliner, all the seats are trash, airbags, whatnot. So this is my next project. I'm gonna be working on restoring, bringing this truck to life again. The engine is intact, and that's why we want to give this a shot. You can tell this is a new engine. This is new, and hopefully we can bring this baby to life again. So we'll see you at the end of it. Good luck to me. started for the first time. I'm gonna get my head out of the way of the airbags just in case. Ignition is on. Nothing. Okay. Trial 2. There you go.